Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Jdavinci here with a quick wig slay. Yes, y'all, I'm wearing a wig. It's super cute. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you guys how I slayed this wig, how I melted this lace into my skin. Yes, so if you're interested in seeing how I did that, look at me. And if you're interested in seeing how I did that, then keep watching.
Stop playing with him.
Jdavinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch. Got him asking.
So I'm doing the bald cap method. What I'm doing is taking some Got2b glue, putting it on my hairline. I like to do this step first, then I put on the stocking cap, just so I don't have Got2b glue all over the place. Otherwise, I'd have Got2b glue all over the place. Now I'm going back in with the Got2b glue, then the freeze blast. Look at me, tongue twisted. But mine is going everywhere because it's time for a new one. Now I'm cutting it off. I leave extra cap first, and then I go in and kind of cut more cap off. But this is to ensure that I don't cut off my baby hairs. I don't have baby hairs. I don't cut off my edges, girl. Now I'm just going in with some extra Got2b glue to lay down the edges. And then next time I go on with foundation, my shade, I use the liquid, but I normally like to use a powder, so I personally like to use a powder. Now I'm just kind of wiping off the additional glue. Here I am taking the Ghost Bond glue. I'm doing it in sections this time. I normally like to do it all at once as a whole, but yeah, I was just trying something new. But I would tell you to wait until the glue is completely clear, like clear, then you go in and lay your wig. But I didn't have a blow dryer and I didn't have any time, so you're gonna see in this next clip when I lay the frontal down that you can still see a bit of whiteness. But for you, I would tell you to make sure that it's completely clear before laying the wig. And also, I left a bit of lace. I'm gonna cut it off after this clip. I'm gonna cut it off, but I left some lace just so I could tug and pull on it. Yeah, I just like to have a guidance, but I literally lay the wig, like the hairline of the wig, where the glue is. That's it. So wherever you see glue, that's where you lay the hairline. And then you're going to cut off the additional lace. Here I am just making sure it fits so I can see where I'm going to put the glue now. And then I'm going to add the glue. And I actually did 2 coats of glue. So I did the coat, then I did it again, and then in this next clip, I'm going to be cutting off the lace, the additional lace, and that's where it just really kind of melts the lace into your skin. And after I cut off the lace, I'm going to go on with the silk scarf just to make sure everything is real slathered together.
Yeah. Y'all know who I am, right?
Shawty said she wet. Shawty said she wet.
So here I am using my silk scarf. After this, I'm going to take off the silk scarf and put foam on my edges and kind of slick my baby hairs to how I like them. You don't even need to slick baby hairs if you did not want to. That's totally optional. But after the baby hairs, then I go back on with that silk scarf, and then we're done. Literally done. I could have done more to the actual hair, like put some conditioner in it, but I told you I didn't have no time. And yeah, just like that, we're done.
This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. This Gucci got me feeling like a baddie. This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. Popping tags, these bitches can't stand me. This Gucci got me feeling like a baddie.